in the lab they grow cells randomly in a non-uniform manner, and they grow like in a non-physiological properties. And I use my expertise and a combination of different techniques in order to do a trick, in order to create a ultra-thin porous circular cross-sectional duct inside of a microchip. I went home, I just started designing this idea inside of my mind, and I designed like a ultra-thin duct, which is like 500 micrometer in diameter, ultra-thin, which is 7 micrometer in thickness. It's thinner than a cell, and it's highly porous. It's microporous, and each pore, the diameter is 8 micrometer, which is more than the thickness of the wall. It's very thin. So we can insert cells inside of it to create the ductal circular cross-sectional ductal epithelial tissue, and from the other side I can inject the stromal gel, whatever its component. I can do it because it's supported with a scaffolding system. So we are flexible with any component, unlike like mortars, for example. So I solved this problem. One of my friends, who was an AUB alumnus and a Sarge of Science alumnus, came to me and told me and advised me actually to apply to Sarge of Science. I said, okay, let's do it. At first I was afraid because like I am pitching in front of millions of people, millions of people who were watching me. So if I did something wrong, I would be blamed forever. Like it's on the media, and I'm not a guy who like to be photo shoot. And I saw a mentor who told me that simplify things and be very confident with what I said, what I say, because I'm saying something big, and if I'm saying something big, I should be confident enough in order to defend anything that I say. So that's what happened. I went to do the casting. I was extremely confident, and I have an answer for every question that could be asked. And that's actually what I learned from AUB, because we defend many things. I did my master thesis here. I did my final project. I did my engineering. I flipped through different majors. I saw the full experience of AUB. So that's the thing that I learned here, and I bring it with me to Sarge of Science. So I won the first prize. I got the title like the top Arab innovator, and that's what I get from Sarge of Science. I won a money prize of $300,000.